Sugar Lumps. Y'all know I'm a wild woman. And if you didn't know, now you know. 100% wild. I love my life as a wild woman. I'm very unconventional. And in my community, my VIP Sugarloaf community, I'm going to be sharing my wild woman ways. Actually, I am sharing my wild woman ways. What am I talking about? But right now, right here, the sun is out. Make sure there's no ants. I'm going to lay down. I love it. It feels so good to lay on the grass under the sun. See, the sun is bright. Just lay with me for a second, Sugar Lumps. All praises.